The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of engineering dominance and luxury on a scale nobody expected from a brand known for speed and exclusivity. What Bugatti has done here is merge the soul of a hypercar with the body of a luxury residence on wheels, and the result is mind-blowing. From the very first glance, the exterior tells you this is not your average motorhome. The front wears that unmistakable Bugatti horseshoe grille with sleek, ultra-thin LED matrix. Headlights that slice through the air like blades. The entire body is sculpted with flowing aerodynamic lines that look more at home on a track than a campsite. Active aero features shift and adapt to optimize wind resistance as you drive, giving the vehicle better fuel efficiency and more stability even at high speeds. Massive 26-inch custom alloys fill out wide wheel arches, while carbon fiber accents line the lower edges, and the rear of the motorhome looks like it belongs in a concept gallery with full-length LED taillights, a deployable rear deck lounge system, and an integrated diffuser that channels airflow with precision. But it's when the door opens that you understand just how far Bugatti pushed the envelope stepping inside. Feels like entering a private jet fused with a five-star hotel. Everything is wrapped in buttery soft leather, rich Alcantara, and rare sustainable woods. Each stitch and surface handcrafted to perfection. Ambient lighting runs through every panel, subtly changing colors based on time of day or your mood. The cockpit is straight out of a science fiction movie with a floating digital dashboard, a steering yoke instead of a wheel, and titanium toggle switches that rise out of the console like precision instruments. The infotainment system is proprietary Bugatti tech built to sync with your entire digital life. From smart devices to biometric settings for each occupant, the captain's chairs up front rotate 180 degrees when parked, letting you turn the space into a meeting room or chill zone in seconds. The lounge area is pure indulgence. You get a wraparound sofa in a layout designed for both relaxation and entertainment, a crystal centerpiece table with wireless charging, a 77-inch OLED panel that emerges from the floor paired with a DVLA surround system so crisp it rivals luxury home theaters. Automatic blackout curtains, soundproof windows, and air filtration all make it feel like you're floating in your own world. Go a little further and you find the gourmet kitchenette with dual wine coolers, a Miele induction cooktop, and Italian espresso bar, all built into sleek matte quartz countertops. Every drawer opens with a touch and every surface is antimicrobial and self-sanitizing. Even the bathroom is something you'd expect in a billionaire's yacht rainfall shower. Smart glass walls, a heated mirror with integrated display, and a Japanese-style toilet with every imaginable comfort. The bedroom at the Bugatti back completes the experience with a floating queen-sized bed under a ceiling made of fiber optic starlights, memory foam with motion sensors that adapt to your sleep position, and a wardrobe system that even includes a biometric safe. It's not just stylish, it's smart. The climate control system uses individual zone temperature sensors and AI learning to anticipate your preferences and adjust before you even realize you're uncomfortable. Performance-wise, this is where Bugatti really flips the script. Under that sleek hood is a modified version of their quad turbocharged W16 engine, now paired with an electric hybrid system. Total output sits around 1,500 horsepower. This motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds. It's electronically limited for safety, but make no mistake, it's capable of highway speeds that most cars dream about. The chassis uses active air suspension with predictive adjustments based on road conditions and satellite data. And with all-wheel drive, this behemoth grips the road like a sports car. Despite its size, driving it feels surreal. You get the smoothness of a luxury sedan with the commanding presence of a super yacht. And it's not just the power or the speed, it's how effortlessly it all comes together. Every turn, every climb, every mile is engineered to feel weightless, like you're gliding in total silence through a world that can't quite catch up. Of course, all this comes at a price. The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome starts at just over $5 million, and depending on customization options, it can soar well past $10 million. It's not for everyone. It's not meant to be. This is for the elite traveler, the person who wants to conquer the road in ultimate style and never compromise on comfort or performance, with only a limited number being made. Owning one is less about transportation and more about making history. The Bugatti Motorhome isn't just the future of luxury travel, it's the crown jewel of mobility, and it's changing the game forever.